Sai Ram करो.
Rajab. It was very beautiful. Thank you. I really want to thank all of you. I I enjoyed to the fullest. I did not want to stop, honestly. And the feeling was that when we were completing Om, there were bells and whistles ringing. How was it happening? Maybe it is from the lap. I don't have no idea. But I was fully enjoying this. And the continuity of life or the desires, there are two part of it, right? One part is that our desires, one is continuity. Continuity is that the regular routine of a job, work I have to do, take it and move on. Responsibilities, everything has to be taken care of. I hate sometimes I take my time whenever I get, I will try and listen. Like what are others, spiritual leaders or masters, what are they saying? Or somebody who's in the past, like ages back, what are they saying? And what is that in between for a normal human being today? Because every master has a different way of teaching. And I'm totally illiterate. I have no knowledge, never been into all that part. What made Baba to do all this thing, I have no idea. There was not a goal of life that one day I have to do all these things. So that is why I have no idea about all these things. And I will not talk about saying, oh, this happened and that happened. It just on and move it. That much I know only. But on a certain day, period of time of life, we all of us, everybody has gone through every phase of life. Everybody. May it be a supremo today, but he has gone in his way of life. He has gone through something in life. And at certain stages of life, if you go back in your own life, go back 20 years back, go back 30 years back, you will notice that you had, maybe you just go 5 years back, right? You don't have to go 20 years back. Otherwise, you will only remember your diaper. What was happening? Those days, we had a different kind of a thought process. Our continuity and desires were different than today what we have. You can take your time. You don't have to tell anybody to anything. You were in your different land of thoughts. You were in a different way of thinking. All of us. I cannot exclude another part. Everybody had a different journey, on a spiritual or religious. Everybody had something in a different way. This morning, what happened was that when the Aarti was happening, and I was telling Baba, at the end when I went down, I was doing the prayer, and I was sort of came up, Baba, Aarti is the same. This is one Aarti. Kakad Aarti is one. Millions of people do Kakad Aarti. But are millions connected with you the similar way? Millions of people do Durga Shapshati. Are that million connected to Ma Durga the same way? Some people do Shiv Chalisa, Vishnu Sahasranam, right? Hanuman Chalisa. Some may read Bible, some may read Quran, some may read Torah. Everybody has something. How many of them are truly connected with that? And this is a question for all of us. What is the intensity of our connection is the key. And when I tell you this, I honestly would also give you examples that dedication and surrender is the beauty of life. I'll give you an example, Raja, so may it help all of you. Just on Friday mornings, I've Thursday, normally Friday mornings, they've started going to food terminal to pick up foods and vegetables. So we need at least like bare minimum 6 boxes of bananas for sure, because homeless has to have bananas and the apples or basic things to go. Vegetables are different. Vegetables we can still modify something here and there, but these are basic things I need to have it. Some fruits. So I go to the guy I take bananas from. He said, "Brother, I'm so sorry. I have bananas, but I can't give you. It's not that I don't want to sell you. I know you what the reason is, but I cannot give you." What happened, brother? Because they're all raw. Even if you give me double the price, I don't want to give you. It is there. So it's all go down as well. Then I did not know what to do. And I said, guide me somewhere to go. So there's another guy, one of the biggest guys in Bana. I went to him and he had some boxes. And his prices was regular price on that, $23 to $24 for a box. I was, boss, this is damn. That guy tells me next week it is not going to be available. It is not there. Okay. After going through the market, I come back to the same guy. Then I took a banana, broke it, and showed me, see, there's still water content, different temperature level. Look at the beauty. He says, if different temperature level you will keep, it will turn into black. It will not ripe. I'm not giving you. I told Baba, your wish. I took some oranges and apples, other things. And I said, pineapples, I left. I said, maybe I'll buy it locally. I'll tell somebody to buy it locally. Okay. We get donations coming in on Saturdays and Sundays and Mondays. And I'm like, Gyanji, one of the volunteers who takes care of homeless part, calls up and said, Ki, I'm at the grocery store, wholesale. I'm buying some cups for the soups for the homeless. Do you need anything? I said, if you can buy, get me 3, 4 boxes of bananas. Okay. You will not believe that store did not have bananas. Hmm? I'm trying to show you something, Raja. That is why I pulled up my phone. I want to share with you all something. And this will be good for all of you. I told Baba, then I told somebody at the warehouse, why don't you go and buy it? Whatever we need to do, let us do it. And then I get a call from the warehouse. We got some apples, tomatoes, and cantaloupes. Okay, wonderful. And then I get this picture. What is that?
Bananas.
This is full. Like this is a full, like what do you call pallet? That box. It's full of bananas. Now you tell me who needs to work or who is working. And this is where it comes down to कि चाहतों का अंत नहीं और मौत का ठिकाना नहीं. The reason I connected was that 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20, 25, 30, as much back you can go towards your younger age of life, beginning when you started your above teens, not teen, but over teens. And remember those days, you're out of college, different. I don't want to go to that stigma because, everybody goes to a different phase of life in their college times. But after that, I've been goals to work, whatever. And every time it has been different desires. And desires never took a stop. They never stopped. Don't try to please club it with the profile of your business and job. Please don't do that because your job has a responsibility towards your part. Your business has your responsibilities towards your family to take care of. That is something you got to do. You got to do to take care of your family, for your children, for the society. You got to do things. Please don't club that. And don't come back the question, oh, how about that? No, it's not that. Everybody, whether it was Pandavas or why, if they were not needed, they would have left it there. If that was the case, then that would have left. No, the case was the right kind of example should be there. So they also had was there. Ramji came back because that was his responsibility to be on the throne. So he came back on that. He did what he was supposed to do. So we all have responsibilities, so don't club your responsibilities. But what is it that you need to be careful of is the key. If you've been given a job, obviously you have to perform because that will help you to go on. हाँ मेरा बेटा. What is needed? आप सारा दिन बोलो मेरे को, भाई जिंदगी में आपने 40 साल जिया, 50 साल जिया, 60, 70, आप कितने, डजंट मैटर. आप इतने सालों में आपने जिंदगी की शुरुआत जब करी वहां से लेके आज तक में कितनी बारी हैव यू रियली थॉट? यू मे कम अप कि नहीं, वी हैव चेंज, वी हैव रियली चेंज आवरसेल्फ, व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू बी, व्हाट वी आर चेंज पर्सन नाउ. ब्यूटीफुल. आप बदल गए हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. सवाल बदलने का नहीं है कि पहले मैं क्या सोचता था और आज मैं क्या सोचता हूं. नहीं, दैट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन. Question come back, वो एक ही आरती, that one prayer that everybody does, what is the intensity of your prayer is the question. Or have we really thought ki, what is that missing in our life, on a day-to-day life, that we get upset, we get worried, we lose ourselves, we lose our temperament? What is it? And what is the reason of losing that temper? What is that fear? It is somewhere our desires. It is somewhere. I'm not emphasizing and saying, oh, no, that is no. There could different reasons. Everybody has a different life journey, so you cannot put everything in the same part. But as a whole, all of us are in the same part. Your thoughts are important. Your actions are important. Your journey is important. Your job, your business is important. Your family is important. Nobody's taking your family or a business or your job away. Nobody. I think Almighty also would bless you to proceed, to be more successful. Go on. Have a very wonderful job. Have a very wonderful business. Grow, flourish. Why? Because people like you who are into a good thought, in a good thought mode, if they flourish, they will only go do wisdom. They will only do good deeds, no matter what. Only then they are more content to work harder. They will not do anything unethical or spoil anything. They will not. So please don't merge that part. काम करना इंसान की फितरत, उसे करना ही है, काम तो करना ही, कोई भी काम करना है, बट काम के साथ साथ हमारा जो अपना काम है उसका क्या करना है, हमारी कामनाओं का क्या करना है, व्हाट अबाउट दैट? Raja, we are losing time. My only request is we are losing time. On a day to day basis, we are losing time. I don't know when we will get a wake up call. I don't know. You may listen to bhajans, you may listen to satsangs, you may listen to whatever you want to, you may do whatever you want to. It's okay. But always remember the time period is short. Every single breath of our life is countable. We start our day with opening balance. And when we end the day, where do we end our day? With credit balance or debit balance? The key is where did we start our day and where did we end our day? Don't worry about anything. Trust me. I sometimes people say, you know what? आप मंदिर नहीं जाते, गुरुद्वारे नहीं जाते, आप चर्च नहीं जाते. It's fine. It is not that mandatory stamped for you that you have to go. No. A child may have a difficulty, a child may have a different challenge, which is okay. Let's keep moving. But end of the day, no matter where you are, one thing is key. And what is that? My balance, my opening balance, and my closing balance. That is the only key we all have. If our opening balance and our closing balance, because next day when you take it over, that opening and credit balance, whatever you had a plus or you had minus, will help you the next day. But if you had a minus on that very day, obviously when you open the next day, you're opening with minus only. There's nothing plus to carry forward. So either if you have plus, the accumulation of plus will help you to be plus. Accumulation of minus will pull you somewhere. Now you need to work more harder because we had a credit minus in that. We had a credit balance. How much, what type of accountability of debit entries we got and how much of credit entries we got. Mera bacha, please, my only request to all of you is Our face of life is not changing. Let's realistical face one part. If I have a misunderstanding within my family, that is not changing in one night. So please don't think that, and don't expect that to change in one night. If you start to believe, oh gee, me and my wife doesn't go along, me and my husband doesn't go along, me and my family doesn't go along, don't you think we need to think, why are we saying I don't go along? Now where is I gone? Why is it you only? Why not me? What is the difficulty we have? If you love your spouse, give them love, forget about it. You give them love. If you truly love your family, then you love them. Don't expect them to love you. Don't tell them to come to you for everything. No, no, we can't live. No, don't do that. And then once you start loving your family, when you start giving them love, you automatically will start loving Bhagwan the same way. Don't try to be a supremacy in your home. Dadagiri nahi. No dadagiri at home. ये अच्छा, ये बुरा, ये नहीं मुझे पसंद, वो नहीं पसंद, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, ये नहीं लाए, वो नहीं लाए. Come on, grow up. मेरे को I was thinking and telling Baba, like, where are we going? We can have a different topic discussion today. We can do so many things. But are we shaking ourselves? Like, अपने आप को, स्वयं को. मेरा शरीर नहीं चलता, मुझे तकलीफ है, मेरे लिए कोई खाना बनाने वाला नहीं है, मेरे को कोई चाय देने वाला नहीं है तो नहीं है, जो है जैसा है यही है. और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है? सेल्फ पिटी. द ब्यूटी इज सेल्फ पिटी. Nobody wants to understand me. I only have to understand everybody. What I want, nobody wants to know from me, but I have to know what you want. अब है तो है, क्या करोगे? That is it. It is. What else? Me, I also want to say something. If you want to say. If you don't want to say, don't say. But don't keep it inside and keep rotating. It is going to be difficult, mera bacha. It is going to be difficult. Don't do that. नहीं पुत्रा भी नहीं, बाद में लूंगा. I'll take later. The whole world right now is going through a turmoil. Whole world. There is not one country in this world as of today would say we have no fear. Everybody is going through something. Everybody, out of that, few people are talking about peace and happiness, this and that. But is that what it is? Look at the discussions today. Look at everything today. Oh, look at Pakistan, look at China, look at America, look at Europe, as if we have the whole burden of the world on our shoulders. Our topics are also like that only. The topic should be, if you're in a job, is there anything I need to improvise? If I'm into business, Is there anything I need to do different? I'm home. Can I do different for my family? What I can do. That is where I need I, not other I. This is where I need I. This is the beauty of I. What is I can do? What is I can give? Because the moment you come into the habit that what I can change, I can do, I will do, expectations chapter will close. Self pity will close. And self pity is your biggest enemy. And self dadagiri is also the biggest enemy. बिकॉज जब आप प्यार करना भूल जाते हो अपने परिवार को, अपने लोगों को, तो अपना समय भी गवा देते हो. दीपक, शलीना कहाँ है? सो रही है. एक काम करेगा मेरा, अभी अभी जा, फटाफट जाके 30 सेकेंड है तेरे पास, उसके कान में जाके बोल के आई लव यू. ओए, अभी जा, उसके कान में बोल के आई लव यू. जस्ट बोल के वापस आ, जल्दी कर, और कान में बोल कर आइयो. जा. रणवीर, प्रिया को बोल, जल्दी जल्दी, फटाफट. तेरे को बोला मैंने बोलने को. लुकिंग फॉर एन अपॉर्चुनिटी.
I love you.
रघु को भी देखो मौका मिला, अपने आप ही शुरू हो गया. जिसको नहीं बोल रहा वो पहले बोल रहे हैं. बोला आपने दीपक?
वो डर गई बेचारी.
दैट इज ओके. अब ऑफिस की जो चीज अरसों से नहीं सुनी उसने डरना ही था. अगर ये रोज उसको बोल रहा होता तो डरती नहीं वो. कारण क्या है? व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर दिस? जब आप अपने दिल से किसी को बोलते हो आई रियली लव यू, प्यार doesn't mean any sexuality in that. Love means my feelings. I really care for you. आप भगवान के साथ क्या करते हो? प्यार करते हो ना. भगवान आपके साथ आके तांडव तो नहीं कर रहे होते ना, या आप तांडव कर रहे होते हो, तो वो भी प्यार ही करते हो. जब वो प्यार करते हो, मैंने इसकी आंखों में देखा, डैनी की आंखों में देखा, बीजल की तबीयत खराब थी. He called, I was shaken. That same boy. I enjoyed that love towards Bijal, what he had in his eyes. I enjoyed that. Bijal is not well. She's going through. And that boy would last first 2-3 days. I felt like I could just take him in my arms and do like this to him, like, wow, this is what I wanted to see with that. And it was beautiful. That is what we need to give. Don't lose the opportunity to give to your family, to your friends, to your colleagues, to your anybody around you. Just give it to them. Empty yourself. Keep giving. और अंत में जब ओम करने बैठो, जब भक्ति करने बैठो, तो उस समय क्या करना है? गिव इट टू हिम. कैसे? तू नहीं तो ये बहार क्या बहार है, तू नहीं तो दिल को तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है. दिल तड़प तड़प के कह रहा है आ भी जा, कि हमसे आंख ना चुरा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा। What did you do? What did you do? Because since you were giving whole day from morning to night, just giving, so your heart was like there was nothing. There was no desire. There was no thoughts. What did you do now? Now you told him, Aja. Now you told him, Aja. What will he do now? What will he's going to do? Trust me. The moment you do this, what will he say?
आजा आजा तू है प्यार मेरा.
Agreed. Beautiful. Very nice. Thank you. Beautiful. कि आजा आजा तू है प्यार मेरा. Bhagwan is saying this. Imagine अगर भगवान starts telling you this. Where are you? Where are you then? राजा अपना समय मत गवाओ. Please don't lose your time. Please. फिर I'll come back to it. चाहतों का अंत नहीं और मौत का ठिकाना नहीं. अगर आज अपने आप को, we are not going to do self pity to ourselves. We are not. Huh? No more self pity. No more thinking ki nobody is asking me. Nobody is doing what I want them to do. No, no need. You have a suggestion, just let it be on the table. That's it. Not beyond that. Not beyond that. Will that be helpful? राजा, एक बात अच्छे से समझ लो. अगर जीवन की गाड़ी अगर अपने पहिए से उतर गई, जो ट्रैक पे चल रही है, वो टायर उतर गया, वो चढ़ती नहीं है दोबारा. A train which is derailed, it causes certain things. You must be very lucky that you survived that derailing. If landing gears don't work, you got to be extremely lucky that the plane doesn't blast. Or today will, I don't know, just last thing I want to say is that when the final time comes of the life, final time comes, if you have not lived in peace, you cannot die in peace. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि अंत में राम का नाम लेते लेते मरो तो अच्छा है, कृष्ण का नाम लेके मरो तो अच्छा है, व्हाटएवर, किसी का भी ना, बाबा का नाम लेके जाओ तो अच्छा है. बट उस लेने की सुध ही नहीं होती. That very moment you don't remember that, you remember the whole history of your life except Ram. जब राम का नाम आज लिया नहीं, तब कैसे ले लोगे, ये बता दो मेरे को. रणवीर तू प्रिया नु क्या था?
हाँ जी भाई, कहता है.
डरी तो नहीं बेचारी?
नहीं उठ ही जाते.
अच्छा. पुत्र राकेश, तेरे को नहीं बोलता हूँ तो रोज बोलता रहा यार, इसलिए नहीं तेरे को बोला मैंने. मैं नहीं चाहता सोनू बोले. तो मेडिटेशन कर रहा था, ये लव यू कर रहा था. पुत्र प्लीज मेरे पे कृपा करो, मुझ पर दया करो, प्लीज दया करो मुझ पे. अगर कर सकते हो तो इतना ही करना है, सिर्फ इतना करना है। क्या करना है? क्या करना है राजा? पहले आज से सेल्फ पिटी नहीं करनी। नंबर 1, नो मोर सेल्फ पिटी कि nobody listens to me, nobody understands me, nobody does this, nobody that. No more. Simi?
जी हाँ जी भाई, समझ गए।
That's the first thing. Nalini? What is the second thing?
Love your family.
Love your loved ones, love them. Not only your family, everybody, just give, you have to give love to everybody around you. Just give them love. Just give. Because when you will be having at that very day a opening balance with plus and end with plus, what will happen? If you spark two plus points, 2 plus, what will happen? A spark? No? Technically ऐसे ही होता है ना? Both 2 positives, you put them together, तो blast हो सकता? नहीं होता? क्या होता? पॉजिटिव ही होता है। नहीं, मतलब एक पॉजिटिव तार आ रही है, दूसरी भी पॉजिटिव तार आ रही है, दोनों को मिला दो तो पॉजिटिव ही होगा, नेगेटिव नहीं होगा ना। बम तो नहीं फुटेगा। सुना आपने? और अंत में फिर क्या होगा?
प्लस जाएगा।
हाँ जी,
प्लस जाएगा।
हाँ, लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे जब आप भगवान के पास जाएंगे उस समय क्या होगा?
एक बल्ब जलेगा।
अरे वाह, आज डैनी बोला एक बल्ब जलेगा, यानी एक प्रकाश होगा, एक रोशनी होगी। और रोशनी कहाँ होगी? अंदर। और रोशनी अंदर होगी।
बट भाई यहाँ पर is it okay for you to let others take you for granted?
देख पुत्री,
If you're feeling that way, ठीक है? I mean, it is one thing to be like going on, giving, ठीक है? At one point, you need a break. Because if that feeling has crept in you that you're being taken for granted and not being appreciated, or nobody is really thinking about you, everyone is lost in, their own needs, and, as long as you're serving them and you're, providing them with what they need.
पुत्री, 2 चीजें हैं इसी फेस में, 2 बातें। एक बात तो ये है, जब हम सर्विंग की बात करते हैं, आपने साथ में 2 चीजें और कही। आपने कहा नोबडी इज अप्रिशिएटिंग।
ठीक है, मैं मतलब वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कर रही हूँ, नॉट ओनली वन पर्सन का नहीं बोल रही हूँ अभी।
नहीं, मैं जनरल बात कर रहा हूँ।
पीपल हु आर प्रोवाइडिंग सर्विसेज, राइट? तो दे आल्सो हैव दिस एक्सपेक्टेशन कहीं ना कहीं। अभी मेरे थेरेपिस्ट हैं, they end up at one point coming back and like talking about these things, like they're doing so much and not feeling appreciated, not necessarily through from the management or anything, but let's say parents जिसको हम केयर कर रहे हैं, जिसके लिए ना, जिसके बच्चों के लिए, तो those kind of situation में not to say something but certain acts, like for example हम extended services देते हैं, 1 hour का हम पेमेंट लेते हैं, हम 1.5 hours देते हैं every single time, but एक point आ गया जब वो half an hour को चार्ज करने लग जाते हैं ना, because we were being nice at one point, okay, this is just being taken for granted, so that half an hour को bill कर दिए, तो now there are like questionable हो जाता है। तो in those kind of situations, what is your,
उसमें क्या होगा पुत्र? देखो, एक बात ध्यान से समझो मेरे बच्चे। पहली बात तो ये कि बात वही व्यापार की आ गई और एथिक्स की आ गई। बात आई कि अगर मेरे को 1 घंटे की सर्विस देनी थी, 1 घंटा 5 मिनट दिया, 10 मिनट दिया, फाइन। आधा घंटा अगर मैंने पहले से लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा खिलाने की आदत डाल दी तो एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करी मैंने.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, those are the corrections that you do later.
राइट.
But
दूसरे में क्या होता है, उसमें इसमें एक और चीज होती है. दूसरी चीज क्या होती है? दूसरी चीज होती है, अब उसको करेक्ट करना है तो उसको आपको एक इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा.
yeah, एक प्रोसेस है. No, I'm just giving you an example.
नहीं, मैं उसी भी आता हूँ.
इसी तरह की ना बिगर थिंग्स भी होते हैं, राइट? I mean, so taken for granted जब जहां पर भी
एक कदम पीछे ले लिया जाता है.
Exactly. That's all I'm like, you know, the point.
हमेशा ध्यान रखो राजा, किसी चीज में कूदने से अच्छा है एक कदम पीछे आना.
Right.
किसी ने कहा एक कदम पीछे आने से क्या होगा? Like they are being offensive, they are doing this, they are doing that. Why should I take a step back? कहते एक कदम पीछे लेने से साइलेंस हो जाता है, गैप आ जाता है. एक कदम पीछे लेने से गैप आ जाता है. उससे क्या होगा? आपने जब कदम पीछे लिया तो अगले बंदे को भी वो गैप दिखाई देता है.
Exactly.
अगले बंदे को भी पता लगता है देयर इज समथिंग वैक्यूम्ड देयर. कॉफी कहता हूं. अच्छा, because now you created that vacuum for them to realize this is missing. You take a step forward, you've gone into, you know, kind of a discussion, an argument, and what is happening? Now we are spoiling that also. All the hard work to keep that so long, take a step back. जब अगर खेलने का होगा तभी दूंगा. आपका समय परमात्मा को देने आए, नहीं बैठेगा. इस चीज का ध्यान रखना राजा, प्लीज ध्यान रखना. Does anybody has a question? Anybody else has a question? Dina Ben, any question you have? Sure. Nobody any question? Thank you for asking मेरा बच्चा. Thank you. जी राजा.
कभी कभी जैसे चांट करते हैं, चांटिंग करनी है कुछ, कभी वो कोई चीज है आपको जो करती है, मतलब पता नहीं मेरे साथ हो रहा है कि मतलब रोक रही है, बाद में कर रही होता है, मतलब कभी कभी ऐसी फीलिंग्स होती हैं
राजा, क्योंकि वो आपके अंदर का लफड़ा है ना. मेरा आज दिल में ये था कि बाबा को बोल रहा था, why don't we do a 1 hour silence session today? Let everybody know कि ये साइलेंस सिर्फ जबान बंद है, ये नहीं बंद हुआ. I was just wanting to do that today. At the end he said नहीं, चाहतों का अंत नहीं और मौत का ठिकाना नहीं. राजा, एक तो ये चैंटिंग पे ज्यादा जोर मत दे. जितना जोर तू चैंटिंग पे दे रहा है उतना जोर अपने विचारों पे दे. अपने आप को कंट्रोल करने पे दे. उतना जोर दूसरों को प्रेम देने में दे. जैसे अभी सिमी ने किया कि हाँ, अगर कोई बंदा एडवांटेज ले रहा है, somebody is giving you hard time, somebody is really troubling you, like you think you're not comfortable with that, just take one step back. ना झगड़ा करने की जरूरत है. हाँ, अगर स्थिति ऐसी बन जाएगी तब देखेंगे. फिलहाल के लिए एक कदम वापस लेना. जहां जरूरी है, आपने सब एफर्ट्स कर लिए शांति के, आपने मान लो you did everything in your possible way, then you have to take a step, then we will take a step at that time when it has become mandatory to take a step, not now. राजा, अगर मन को नहीं जीत पाए या अंदर की लड़ाई को नहीं जीत पाए तो संसार कहां से जीत लोगे? We are always thinking, and nobody hope it us. Nobody, everybody thinks, you know, मेरा को, nobody thinks about it. वो ना एक बड़ा अच्छा गाना है, बहुत पुराना, वो ना ऐसे अपने आप के लिए लोग गाते हैं कि जाऊं कहाँ है दिल, दुनिया बड़ी है संग दिल, चांदनी आई घर जलाने, सोचे ना सूझे ना कोई मंजिल, लगता है कि बस मैं ही हूं, जल गया, हो गया काम मेरा. इट इज नॉट दैट. From our life till date, there has been different paths and journeys we have gone through. We have gone through so much differently. Today, we should be peace. We should have peace. We should live in peace.
Bhaji, can I ask Simiji one thing?
Yeah.
So when Bhaji said your question, when we said take a step back, what would that be actually in the profession? How would you take that step back?
I'll give you an example. Actually, I'm going through something like that right now.
So I'm asking you.
Yeah. So the thing is, we just took two months of break, okay, during COVID, and it was for the parents. You know, they requested that we come back, and I was even driving kids from their homes, bringing all that, and even rates wise, we are the most competent rates, right? Very very
So the
reasonable.
clash that's happening because we're charging for that extra half hour, what would you do to take a pause and a step back?
That part was taken care of. It was one of the therapists, not me, right? So of course, she should not have, like I said, she should not have in the first place encouraged the 5
How
and
would
10
you
minutes.
diffuse the situation?
Yeah, so it was diffused by billing that 20 minutes for the first time, and there was a discussion that took place between the therapist and the family. And she said, "This is what is happening every single time. I've been doing it, but it is, like getting impacted with other clients' time and everything, right? So moving forward, that has been taken care of. But in the bigger picture, when I look at it, I've been running a center for, summertime, wintertime, March break, everything available and doing everything in our capacity, right? But this time around, even with COVID, we are open because there is a need, but I'm planning to take a break. And that may or may not sit right with families because winter break was a big one for us. We used to run camps and supporting and everything, right? So but this time, like, I've started telling people that because of the COVID, because it is our we need our little time too, right? I mean, every single day it's a 24/7 job for us, right? It is not like
So I've seen this, Bhaji. Most of the time it ends and starts with us only. The situation was not convulsing. The burning out was the issue. And I have gone through the same thing.
मेरा बच्चा.
Situation is not an issue. It's our burning out.
that's true. Yeah.
The issue.
So, coming back to it, I would want all of you, let us pray for the universe and then we proceed back with it. Let's all pray, Putri, for 2 minutes. Let's do 5 minutes of Mahamrityunjay and then we'll complete, right? Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarikamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukshamamritat. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarikamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukshamamritat. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarikamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukshamamritat. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarikamiva Bandhanat Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Urvani Mrityormukhamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Urvarikamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukhamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivarnam Urvarikamiv Bandhanat Mrityormukhyamamrita Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivarnam Urvarikamiv Bandhanat Mrityormukhyamamrita Om Shanti Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Samasta Loka Sukhino Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sri Sachidanand Sadguru Sainath Maharaj. Now, Bacha, please take your time today. Right, we'll conclude today from this, but I want all of you to please take time. Please don't get up right away and start doing anything. Take 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. Write your thoughts, send it in the group. After 2 minutes, not right away. Do a manan inside you for 2 minutes. Do that, and then we'll get. Anything else, any question, any thoughts, you can write it in the group. We'll take it from there. Jai Shri Ram Raja. Jai Shri Ram.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jai Shri Ram.
आइए पता है क्या होता है